Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency and four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and on the other side, you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And underneath this rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your favorites or my view with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, further information about your vehicle, and your trip information. But then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. Below that, you have a little tray, and then you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have a wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there to charge, as well as having a 12-volt USB and USB-C so you can plug something in. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, with another USB and USB-C inside so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.